The proliferation of technology, especially in Africa, cost has become quite prohibitive at times. And to solve this problem, we have Angola's first low-cost PC. Please put your hands together for Kamputer.
Good afternoon. My name is Kamputer. Nearby me is the co-founder of Kamputer, Mandovi. We are here to present you one solution to help people in rural zone to have access in education based on technology.
Good afternoon. Imagine your life without the technology. What would it be? If you have only paper, but nothing that can really help you to connect to the world. Kamputer came with a low cost to help you with the education, to help you have all the best that you can find on the internet or even through offline network, but in your hands you'll have specific targets that you have on books and many other sources online. A low-cost computer came to help us to develop this education through the poor community.
When we mean poor community, we are talking about the rural zones. Actually, in Africa, when we want to talk about technology, maybe we think about all the people who have access to the internet. We are sometimes mix those two concepts. That's why we are bringing here that solution. What we put in people's hands is a computer that they can learn, they can have a sense of content, that they use in preschool, that they can use it in college, that they can use in university, and even if they do have access through to the internet or not, they can go ahead with the topics. There is a scientific features inside. The main idea, the goal of Kamputer is a gaming through education.
Once you know that most of the features that you will find through certain subjects at school, even if you're facing university subjects, or even for researchers, you'll find a lot of solutions in Kamputer, which we have built on. You don't need any downloads from it. You don't need any go over all the internet to find out what you can really reach in Kamputer. Let's say, for example, you will find anything that only in Wikipedia you can find. In Kamputer, we have built a solution that most, from kids to adults, can find inside. It's actually built, existing, working, perfectly fine, just like many others. You'll find a very great solution in Kamputer. The build of Kamputer is from an Intel source, educational, and the hard disk drive is not as small as many other small portable computers. It's a 320, which is a very reasonable space. You'll find a network that can run on 3G plus, which is actually good.
We have here in our market size, we were thinking about our kids in preschool. Our intention is to collaborate and give our support, to give a technology to the hands in all the people in rural zone. We have that numbers that show us that we have a lot of market to provide them a great solution of technology education. That is the main goal of Kamputer. In our business model, we have got here business to business to customer and business to government. We cannot do education without support of government. And that's why we are here to show you that our solution can work with your help, with anyone help. We have sent around 2 machines and was tested with a few students in Isotic. And also we give one computer to one teacher that she had tested all the application and she provided her feedback and was great and positive. That is the first look of Kamputer, that we are providing to you 2 things. We are giving to you an operating system, software this, and we are giving to you also the machine. We have the hardware and we have got the software. Competition. Yes, in Africa there is some programs, technology based in education, but most of them, they use a toy kit solution. This is part of the team who has worked with Kamputer, and we are glad to be with you here and present our technology.
Thank you. On to our judges.